Okay, this is Velvet. This girl's name is Velvet. She's very, 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 very big on the love. Don't smear my camera lens. Look at her. Look how she twirls for affection. She's so affectionate as nuts. You see her? About 2 years old. She's very shiny. She's very shiny. She's full of the love. Full of the love. Goodness. She's going wild on my hand. Oh my God. Let's see her do her little talk dance. Yes, if I talk to you, la 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 mama. You can love la 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 la. Look at that lovely girl. Look how she responds. So when you talk to her, she gets all silly. She gets all silly when you talk to her. And you sweet talk. Whoa, you get a sweet talk, Velvet. You're gonna get a big camera butt. She'll put her chin in your hand. Oh, for all you black cat lovers, you want her. I'm getting kissed to death. And a love bite. I love her. Yes, I do. Okay, Mama. Okay, Mama. Mama. Oh, look at her. You want to see some green eyes? Oh, heavy. Look at those eyes. There's a person in there. There's a person in there. And she's very curious. Oh, black cat pose. Black cat pose. Let's say goodbye to everyone. Everyone. Goodbye. Goodbye. We see you later, Mama. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Love you.